Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Music Adventure box. So this is a monthly subscription. Each box contains a music game to play with your preschooler or young children, movement ideas, historical facts about composers and their pieces, musical instruments, storybooks, all sorts of stuff that can get your kids into music and learn at the same time. So let's take a look at what came in this month. So we have a cute little cat and dog, little plushies. That's adorable. My kids are probably going to fight over the cat. They're definitely cat lovers. And we also have this cute little dog too. Very nice. So inside it says, "Welcome to your Music Adventure box. Remember to click on the link from the email to download and listen to Doggy Doggy." We also have videos of other activities to go along with the box. Pick some, play with your child, read my favorite things with your child, listening piece, use the pictures of the dog and cats to dance with the listening piece this month, work together to create your own red and blue Valentine. After you've made it, you can play a game. Very cool. So they do have different videos on their website about that. So here is our book, My Favorite Things. And I'm familiar with the song, but I don't actually know all the words to it, so that's pretty cool. My daughter is a big music lover, and my son loves books, so I think they're going to have fun with this. Here is the Sing and Play Lap Mat, Doggy Doggy. So it has lyrics, musical notes. Place envelope here for game pictures, it says. Where's my bone? There's like a little activity sheet. You could cut these out and put them on there. And then on the back, it talks about the games. Game 1 is a guessing and singing game. Cut out the pictures of animals and place them on the mat, matching the shapes. Invite the child to place the bone under one of the pictures while you hide your eyes. Then sing a song. At the end of the song, look under the animal to find the bone. Different behaviors to expect. That's interesting. We also have one-on-one play, problem-solving play, a name game, and then there's some group play ideas. Taking turns listening and singing. Very cool. And here, Octavio Pinto, hopefully I said that right, that is the composer that they're talking about this month. There's a listening piece about the piece, obviously a picture of him, the birth dates, and some more information. He says he was also an architect, and he was married to a pianist. Very cool. Never heard of that person before, so definitely learned something new. And here's a listening activity you can use the stuffed animals for. And we have a couple more sheets. We have the cat and the dog. That probably goes along with one of the games. And then here's our little heart activity they mentioned. Cut out the heart and stripes, glue the stripes to the heart, trim the edges to match the heart. So you're supposed to make it look like this by using these pieces. Cut out the big red heart, cut out the small blue heart, and then glue the small ones onto the big one to look like that. So this is good for a preschool age child. I remember Jackson doing like activities like this when he was younger, so I think he's going to have fun doing this with Rayland and obviously learning. This is really cool. So if you guys are interested in a subscription, I will put all their information below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.